Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, neighbor.
Well, you're a little late there, don't you think, Wilson? Christmas was a couple days ago.
Happy Hanukkah?
No. Well, maybe Happy Hanukkah, but we're not thinking Happy New Year. Get the chips, get the dip. Let's get ready for a new year.
Oh, so you're going to celebrate the new year, huh?
That's right. I'm going to have some roasted onion dip and some potato chips. You'll see. Watch how I make my roasted onion dip.
My God, what did you eat?
And now for the taste test. Oh yeah, it's going to be a happy new year. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.